course, here tonight at 6, an intruder is dead after a Dayton woman shoots him inside her home.
Investigators say the man tried to get inside through an upstairs window. It happened this morning at a home on Richmond Avenue. After the suspect was shot, police say he ran back outside down the street and collapsed. He was taken to Miami Valley Hospital, where he died. The man has been identified as 22-year-old DeBrandon Gerard Dickerson. Police say the homeowner acted within her rights.
You have a right to protect yourself. If you fear for the safety of yourself and or your family, living in America, you have the right to protect yourself.
So we did some digging into the laws relating to your right to self-defense. 2 News reporter MAYTAL LEVI joins us now with what she's learned.
It's called the Castle Doctrine, and it applies to not only your home, but also inside your vehicle and your workplace. An attorney I spoke with today tells me if someone enters your home or dwelling or your car who doesn't have the right to be there, you have the right to defend yourself, even with deadly force. The doctrine applies to any occupied place, whether it's, like I said, vehicle, home, or workplace. Typically, deadly force is considered justified, but when is it not okay to use deadly force? According to attorney Michael Bly, if you're inside your home watching your car get broken into, it's not okay. If someone just walks across your lawn, Bly says in these circumstances, you could find yourself in legal trouble. Deadly force is not lawful if the person stopped their efforts to enter a home, workplace, or car and starts fleeing.
Do you have to feel physically threatened?
No, you don't. But it's not an absolute right. It's not a license to kill. You are presumed to have acted in self-defense.
Self-defense is determined on a case-by-case basis. The Castle Doctrine got its name from the Old English saying, a man's home is his castle. To read Ohio's law in its entirety, go to WDTN.com. MAYTAL LEVI, 2 News, working for you.
And it turns out this is not the first time this woman has been the victim of a break-in. Her brother, EFRIAM Goldsmith, tells 2 News that just last week, someone broke in and stole some electronics, and he says last year she also had to fire her gun at 2 teens who broke in. Goldsmith says this time her sister was in the bedroom when she heard the intruder.
It just seems to me like they was just determined to get in, you know. I mean, 3 different windows, and to climb up on a roof to get into a house.
And Dayton police say they believe Dickerson was not acting alone, and they say if someone else was in fact involved, that person could now face murder charges because of his death.